My name's JR, I work for Francis Ward. I operate a Volvo ECR88 Plus. We're down here in Christchurch on Wood Lane doing a riprap floor foundation excavation. I've been operating diggers for 11 years. I dig my Volvo because it's very comfortable, easy to operate. We do a lot of final trim work. I find it excellent for that. It's very reliable, very operator friendly, good vision out of the cab. All in all, it's a top excavator. If we ever have any issues with our excavators, Transdees are always wonderful to deal with, always very fast to come back to us, resolving any issues. Overall, I'd highly recommend the Volvo. Very good for trimming, digging, backfilling. All in all, they're a wonderful digger, very operator friendly.